Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you show battery percentage on iPhone or iPad. So guys, in the top right here you can see the battery is showing, but it is not showing the percentage. If you want to see the battery percentage, you need to swipe down like this. Here you can see. But if you want to make it see battery percentage in the top right all the time, just go to settings, scroll down and go to battery. And in the top here you can see battery percentage. Just turn this option on, and here you can see in the top right the battery percentage is showing. You can also see the battery percentage if you put a widget in your home screen, just like a long press on this empty space and click the top left this plus icon, scroll down, and here you can see batteries. Click on batteries and you can just select any of these batteries, just like I'm selecting this one, and click on add widget. You can choose the widget here and click the top right done. And by doing this, here you can see the battery widget is here and it is showing the battery percentage. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.